For my next video, I'd like to do one on the fountain pen Montblanc and the Meisterstuck 149. And let's get into the unboxing first. This is a medium nib. And it's kind of cool because I purchased this over 30 years ago in 1995. And I just noticed the prices are around $1,100 plus. And I think I paid around $200 for it, so it's gone up considerably. But anyway, let's unbox here. Get a small little booklet. It explains the 4 stands for the fountain pen with a piston. The 9 is the dimension of the nib. I'm sorry, the writing part, and 1 is for Meisterstuck. So before people start to kill me in my comments, I pronounce this Montblanc. I'm German. This is a German pen. There's all kinds of French little people out there that for some reason call this Montblanc or whatever it is they call it with their mouth full of whatever. That just it's a German pen. I'm going to pronounce it the German way. So there you have it. It's my video. So you want to continue to pronounce it wrong, that's up to you guys. Okay, so let's unbox this. We'll take it out. Really beautiful presentation here. And we'll open it up, and inside it's got a spring to the lid, and marked inside Montblanc Meisterstuck. We have the bottle of ink that's Montblanc Black. And actually it's not very black, it's more on the grayish side. We'll do a demonstration of that maybe later down the road. And let's go ahead and take the pen out. There's little fingers actually inside there holding it, so the pen's big size pen. It's definitely not small. Around it you see made in Germany, Montblanc Meisterstuck. At the very top is my serial number. Top of the finial is for the ice caps of Montblanc. The end is a piston filler, so I don't want to unscrew it because I have ink in it. But the pen actually unscrews 1 turn exactly, for those of you that think that's important. So 1 turn and off. And there's the beautiful nib. It has the 4810 on it, which is, I believe, the metric size of Montblanc. And yes, I'm left-handed. Yes, my writing sucks, but I'll give you a demonstration. This is a medium nib, and if you want a nib that's right in the middle, medium is the way to go. Actually, it looks pretty thick for a medium, but that's European nibs are supposedly a little thicker than normal. I have a couple bolds, and one of the bolds is the same size as this, a broad bold, whatever. But this is a medium. So that's my unboxing. Let's get into some of the about the item next. So like I've said, I purchased this in '95, so it's almost 30 years. And I just got back into collecting kind of fountain pens, so this was a pretty good idea for me when I bought it, to buy the most expensive one of them fountain pens to start with. Guess it's always good to start at the top and work at the bottom, but basically this is the standard all over the other pens are judged against, and for a very good reason. These pens are excellent writers. They're made with incredible consistency even across decades, and are absolute beautiful hand-tooled nibs that offer truly exquisite writing experiences. Let's see here. Pros, legendary pen, Even JFK had one. Translucent nib. It's an integral fill mechanism. One of the larger nibs available. Has a ton of online courses you can take for handwriting. That's what I should do. Cons, it's marriage ending expensivity. Yeah, it's expensive now. The edge of the cap is unprotected. But basically it's a great, great fountain pen. I can't imagine of one that's better, that's not less than 3+ figures. So I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Please click the new thank you button if you're really pleased with my video. And until next time, I'm out.